Hey guys, this is Lori at tmigifts.com. I want to tell you about Cara's wreath box that she has. It's a Patriotic wreath box, and I want to show you the items that she has in this wreath kit. Really, really cool stuff. So I'm just going to unbox. You guys join me here, and I'm going to tell you about these products. When you purchase this box, you're going to get a lot of stuff. It's a really, really full kit. It's got a lot of items in it, and that's the way Cara likes to do it. She likes to put in all of the greeneries, all of the florals that she can get, and she's doing a little something different this time. She's going to put a bow on it, and she also is going to put a metal sign in it. So she's going to be working with an 18-inch round grapevine wreath. So you'll get this 18-inch round grapevine wreath, which is really, really good quality. She'll teach you how to clean it up and get it all ready for your project. She is going to put a sign in it. This is a little 8-inch sign that says God Bless America. It's really, really pretty. It's got good vibrant colors in it. It's a really nice sign. And so I can't wait to see what Cara's going to do with this. I mean, she don't often see her putting a sign in a wreath, but this is going to be really, really cool. She also is putting lots of greenery in it. So let me show you the greenery. She's going to use the ruscus, which is a full bundle of ruscus. Cara likes to use this ruscus. It's a really, really good piece. It's got good coverage on it. It's a full piece. This, you'll get a whole bundle of this ruscus. You're going to get 2 bundles of the eucalyptus, and it has UV protection in it. The eucalyptus is the pusher. We do not have any more of this available, I don't believe. We're actually out of this product right now. But if you order her kit, you're going to get 2 of these UV protected eucalyptus pusher bundles here. She's got 2 of those in there. She has 2 of these boxwood bushes. You get several little picks off of it. So 2 boxwood bushes. So you have ruscus, eucalyptus, and boxwood. And then she has this gypso here. It's got several pieces on it. It's just a white flowering. It almost looks like Queen Anne's lace, but it's a beautiful, beautiful piece. Love this. It's got good coloring on it. It's got some good green and white coloring on it, and that's just gonna kind of round that out. Then she's added in these florals. This is a blue bundle right here. It has roses, it has lilies, and then it also has this little greenery with pick on it with these little flowers and this white stuff. Don't really know what Cara's going to do with this, but I know it's going to be beautiful. She loves all of the florals. So this is the blue bundle that she's going to use, and it's really full. It's a really, really large bundle. And she's also going to use the red Gerber daisies. This to me says, these Gerber daisies, poppies and Gerbers say something about patriotic. So she is going to use these red Gerber daisies in there with these blue flowers. This is going to be a beautiful patriotic kit. She's also going to use something that I haven't used a lot of, but I do love these. It's these anemones. It's the white anemone bundle. These are really pretty. Can't wait to see them mixed with all of the reds and the blues. They're going to be really, really pretty. And then also something a little different. Look at this. Cara has done something different that I love it when people just kind of think outside the box and do a little bit of, and when you're doing a patriotic wreath, you want it to say, hey, wow. So this is giving you a little bit of that glitter in there with these stars in it, with all of these florals. I love mixing the florals with some of the other odd, unique picks and sprays and signs and ornaments and things like that. I just can't wait to see what she's going to do with it. And she's also picked out some really pretty ribbons to do a pretty bow. We have got a crystal shine, then this beautiful, and I think it goes perfect with the stars that she's going to add into this wreath, this 2.5-inch patriotic with the stars down the middle, and then this 7/8 inch right here that she has done in the blue metallic. I love this one. These are all wired. Can't wait to see this kit. Get your kit today at tmigifts.com, and this is Cara with Enchanted Vines Patriotic Kit.